Well, if you're sitting at home and you're thinking to yourself, you've spent way too much money at the salon or tried so many products, but still ended up with hair that looks flat, lacks shine, and feels dull, then make sure you keep watching because I'm here with Nikki. She's going to share the range that she says has helped her get the hair that she's always wanted. Sounds amazing. Nikki, good to see you.
Oh, hi, Kaz. Good to see you. You know what? You're right. Just like you at home, I felt frustrated. I felt ripped off after spending so much money and never had the hair that I wanted. Now, my life was changed the moment I was introduced to Ammino-18, and trust me, yours can too. I felt like I was on the brink of cutting off all my hair, could no longer afford those expensive salon treatments, but I'm beyond excited to be launching this for you all at home. I truly believe this is going to change your hair from the very first moment you use it.
Okay, so tell us all about the range because this is a professional range.
Totally, Kaz. Ammino-18 is the latest hair care technology from Italy, and it's that powerful it cannot be found in a department store, and what is referred to by hair experts as beyond salon grade. Now, you can shop ahead at any time by calling the number on the screen, scanning the QR code, or go to ammino-18.com.au.
Yeah, now you know I used to be a hairdresser and I know that there are so many products out there and even some that can leave your hair worse off. So how did this change your life?
Oh gosh, Kaz, after just one use, this is the best hair system that I've ever used in my life. You know, my own hairdresser couldn't believe the dramatic results and told me to use this forever, as she's never seen such dramatic results in just one go.
Wow.
It was seriously a game changer for me. I mean, look at this. Look at my results after just the first time I used it. And that's why I'm excited, as I know you can get these results too. And my promise to you is you're going to save a lot of time, a lot of money, but most importantly, your hair is going to look and feel the best it's ever been.
So Nikki, how does this give such incredible results?
Well, Ammino-18 uses a unique patented dual power technology with restructuring active ingredients that can help to improve the condition and the vitality of the hair. Plus, it helps to protect and repair hair that's been stressed, you know, by chemical and thermal devices.
Yes.
So to break it down, let's start with the fruit acids and mineral salts. These are combined with a biopolymer extracted from the linden tree. Now, these work together, Kaz, to film the cuticle to hydrate and reduce dryness, while also protecting against UV rays, chemicals and pollution.
Gee, that sounds incredible, doesn't it? So what else is in the formula?
Well, there's the green coffee hyperfermentation technology, Kaz. Now, this is going to help to drastically neutralize free radicals, the ones that cause stress and age the scalp and hair, repairing the broken keratin chains. Expect stronger, more youthful, soft, manageable, shiny hair. You know, just like you see on some women and you think, why can't I have that hair?
Yes.
Well, I'm telling you, you can.
So how easy is it to use to get that hair that we've always wanted?
It's a simple three-step routine achieved in minutes. First, you'll start off with Hair Reborn Cleanser, a multi-action shampoo. Then my favourite, Kaz, the Hair Reborn Mask. Super nourishing, banishing dryness, adding intense hydration. And finally, the Hair Reborn Leave-In, perfect for styling and giving you that salon polished look.
Okay, but is this suitable for all hair types?
My darling, it certainly is. And not only do I guarantee results from the first time you use it, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, send it back for a full refund.
Yeah, I know a lot of people are going to want to get on their phones right now, so how can we get hold of this?
Well, if you want the best hair that you've ever had, call, scan, or go to ammino-18.com.au. And when you do, not only will you get an incredible introductory special offer, but also receive a full-size Nouvelle Double Effect Leave-In Conditioning Foam valued at $29.99, absolutely free. Take that first step today. Feel confident, feel empowered with Ammino-18. You deserve it.
Yeah, as always, Nikki, thank you so much for joining us. Give them a call, scan the QR code, or head online.